Hey everyone, Jason here, digital marketing consultant, and in this video we're going to go over a simple 5-step proven process for monetizing your blog while simultaneously building your brand and building a stronger bond with your readers and increasing your viewership. So chances are this isn't the first video or source you're looking on in terms of how do you actually monetize your blog and how do you build a income long term. So if you've been doing this for a while, you probably heard of the typical things. There's ads, which we all know AdSense hardly gives us any money. Then you probably heard about affiliate products, making your own courses, doing freelancing and consulting and whatever else, selling physical products. The list goes on and on and on. But really, there's only one thing you have to focus on. Really, there's only one thing. All of those other things are actually steps like 4 and 5, right? But the very first step, the key to success with any type of online business, especially when it comes to making money with your blog, is an email list. That's right, an email list. It doesn't matter if you're selling your own products, if you're selling your time, you're selling services, you're going to be selling affiliate products. Regardless of what you're going to sell, regardless of how you plan to make money today, next week, or even a year from now, your email list is going to be the tool that you're going to be able to leverage long-term, regardless of what type of income path you're going to follow. So in this video, I want to go through the 5 simple steps for actually beginning to figure out what offers you should be making and how to actually grow your email list. So if you choose the wrong offers or you decide to change the style or content of your blog in the future, you're going to have a list of people you can always promote to. So the first step is actually going to your blog analytics and figuring out what are the top 3 to 5 blogs posts on your website, right? You want to figure out what are the types of content that are already performing well. This is going to be the first step to creating your email list and making money with your blog. You want to identify what type of content are you creating that your readers really enjoy. So once you have that 3 to 5 list, what you want to do next is come up with something called a opt-in gift or lead magnet or opt-in offer. And this is step number 2. And here you're going to look at that specific post and ask yourself, what's the next logical step that someone would take after interacting with this content? So for example, if I had a post about YouTube ads, I could offer a free Excel download to help them organize their campaigns. Or I could give them a 5 or 6 step quick checklist for things they should look out for before they start their first YouTube advertising campaign. There are a lot of different types of opt-in offers that you can make. What's most important, whether you do a PDF, an Excel sheet, a bonus video, or even a webinar if you want to get fancy, is that it's hyper related to that post. And the reason you want it to be hyper related is because in step number 1, you went through your analytics and you know these posts are popular. These posts get you traffic. These posts are getting you engagement. So let's offer those people who are already coming to your site for that post and are already engaging with your content a logical next step. And so in exchange for this free opt-in offer, you ask for their name and email. And now you can tap into the power of email marketing. And what's so awesome with email marketing is it's relatively cheap to set up and it gives you the power to follow up. But I'm getting ahead of myself here. So in step number 3, what you're going to do is create a simple 3 to 5 email sequence using something like MailChimp is free to get started. Or if you have a little bit more of a budget, I recommend ConvertKit for bloggers. And all you have to do is create that free PDF or Excel sheet or a little bonus video or bonus template in step number 2, and then say, hey, if you want this, go ahead and enter your name and email and I'll send it to you. So they enter their name and email, then you send it to them, and now you have their email so you can begin to make offers of whatever you want, right? So if you want to test an affiliate product, if you want to try coaching or consulting, you want to offer a physical product, now is the time to offer that, because on your blog, you want your blog to be all about you, your content, and your reader. This makes sure that when people come to your blog and new people come to your blog, you're continuously building a brand, and it doesn't really matter what's in your emails because you can easily change out those emails, right? But when you're focused on lead generation with your blog and getting people to opt in for those specific offers, you're actually going to get a really good idea of what kind of offers work and what kind of offers don't. So I actually recommend in this step with your first couple of emails is to promote an affiliate offer. And the reason you want to promote an affiliate offer is you're just learning, you're testing, right? And so let's say 3 or 5 emails later, 2 people bought the affiliate offer and the other 10 people who opted in didn't. Okay, great. Well, now we know that only a very small percentage of those people cared about that type of offer. Whereas if you had made a full-on course, or you put together a coaching program and 2 out of 12 people bought or purchased, that's a lot of upfront investment in something that actually wound up not working out so well. Now, even though only 2 out of the 12 people in our hypothetical email list bought, we have 12 people that we can keep emailing. So step number 4, you're going to try another offer, right? So you just make 1, maybe 2 offers max per week. You definitely want to make sure that you drop in some content emails as well, just saying, hey, I have this new blog, or hey, I thought this video was really cool. So just so you're not always sending emails that only have offers. But as you go through this process, you keep following up over and over again, you're going to find out which affiliate products work, which affiliate products don't, and which offers on your blog get you the most conversions and opt-ins. And so once you've gone through this process, now in step number 5, it's time to make your own product. So you can make an ebook, you can make a course, a master class, some private training, some coaching, whatever you decide to do here. What's awesome is you've gone through this entire process. You know what opt-in offers convert. You know what affiliate offers convert. And now you're just creating your own version of what's already working in your funnel, right? Because I work with a lot of coaching students who've put so much time and energy into courses and ebooks that never sell, or worse, result in a ton of refunds and bad relationships with subscribers. So that does it for the 5 simple steps for monetizing your blog. So just a quick summary, we looked at the top posts on your blog. We created custom opt-in gifts for those specific posts. We did a simple 3 to 5 email sequence where we give them the opt-in offer and then we make an affiliate offer. And then after that, we just send them a couple emails a week, and maybe 1 out of 3 or 5 emails is another affiliate offer. And after a few weeks or a few months, we get a really good understanding of what affiliate offers convert, which ones don't. And now you can go ahead and increase your profits even more by creating an ebook, a course, or offering freelancing or consulting around one of those affiliate offers that's really converting. What's great is all you do is swap out the link in your email. Instead of sending them to an affiliate offer, send them to your own sales page offering something very similar or better. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more digital marketing tactics and strategies just like the ones covered in this video. And make sure you check out the description because there is a full playlist on how to design opt-in offers in Canva, as well as a video to help you figure out your ideal reader if you're not quite sure who you should be trying to sell to. So until the next video, hit that like button, subscribe, and keep building the business you love.